All right, family. It is bright and early Thursday morning. I am going to paint the shutters. I'm going to link them down in the description. I ordered them from Amazon. I'm going to put them on the front of my sister's house. She doesn't have any. We needed black, but the blacks, and we didn't really care about the price, but the black was like $60 higher than the other colors, but the black was like 2 months out on back order. So I just ordered, and I did order 2 sets of these, but they said that and a brown. Doesn't matter to me, they're the same shutters. I am going to be using my Rust-Oleum 2 times the coverage paint and primer with the gloss black, and I am going to be painting them. I'm going to paint them, and I'm painting them out here on the board this morning so I do not mess up her yard. But I'm going to show you a useful tip. Do you see the slant on these? I'm going to stand them up and paint it, flip it over and paint it so that I can have all of the grooves this way and this way. And I tell you, you always have to turn them different ways. And once I get it painted, I'm going to drill me a hole on the bottom and on the top so that I can place them next to the window. So with that being said, you guys, and I'm going to try to do this as easy as possible to let you see, but it kind of makes it hard because I don't have my tripod. So I'm going to figure out a way I can position my camera so that you guys can see what I am doing. Now if you can see that, pull it up close. Now can you see that on the different angles? Now paint that, keep it going so that and I'm just doing one side at a time. All right, this is what we have. I'm going to let it dry. Got 1 down, 3 to go. And once it dry, I'm trying to check. As you can see, like right here standing back, I see my trim space. Watch this. When you stand back, I don't know about you, but it shows the brown there. So I'm going to paint that And that's why you always turn items that you're painting. You look at it from every 4 angles, from north, south, east to west, so that you can see where your color is off. But we're going to let this dry. I'm going to come back. And when I come back, we're going to have the other 4 done and completed. All right, you guys. I'm doing this. I am outside, so you do hear the traffic from the road. But this is what the shutter is looking like, and you also hear the water from the waterfall. This is what they're looking like, and this is just with the first coat. And we have this. I'm going to let them sit for 30 minutes, and I'm going to come back because I need these dry so I can look at them, and then I may need to flip them. I've already only used 1 can of paint, and I've started probably about 3/10 out of the second can. I got 5 because I got another little project I'm going to be adding in that I'm going to be doing as well. But once we do that, we're going to come back and look at that water this morning. That waterfall sounds amazing. Just a little quiet and ASMR waterfall moment. Sounds great, but we will be back.